What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Today's video is a what's in my travel makeup bag carry-on edition. All of the items in my makeup bag are TSA compliant. I also have my baggie here, which does close. It does zip together, but I have some of my foundations, all my other stuff in here, which I'm going to go over with you guys. If you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. So this is my makeup bag. It's from the brand Bebe. I got this from, I think it was TJmaxx or Marshalls. No, it was Marshalls. Super inexpensive, $5.99. This actually also came with some empty bottles, but decided not to really use them. I just wanted to use this primarily for makeup. So we're actually going to start first with this zippered compartment, which is pretty much full. Are these Daiso Pre-Moistened Q-Tips, which are a lifesaver, especially if you want to clean up your eyeshadow or maybe even out your eyeliner. Such a great product because both ends of the Q-Tips are moistened. It's called a makeup mat, just to kind of swish out the shadows. If you want to change up your eyeshadow or change the color that's currently on your brush, you can swish it on this mat and it will remove all of the eyeshadow. Small little individually wrapped Q-tips. Milani Gilded Desires eyeshadow palette, because it does contain all these really gorgeous eyeshadows, but just couldn't leave this behind because of this highlighter. Highlight of the day. It's absolutely beautiful. Wanted to bring something that was pretty much thin, and this was a good option. For blush, I went with the L'Oreal Enchanted Paradise blush in the shade Just Curious. A really beautiful satin peachy color. It smells like peaches. Bronzer is a cosmetics in the shade called Beach. This is such a great bronzer. Smells like coconut and it's one of my favorites. Had to bring it. Decided to pull out a palette that I haven't used in a while, and it's the Lorac Pro Contour palette. The color I like to go into is light contour. This has more of like a grayish undertone, so it's great for creating shadow to chisel out the face. Plus it's also very thin. Daiso under eye masks, but I think I'm gonna switch them out from the brand Wander Beauty. Baggage Claim Gold eye masks, which work really well. This will be great to use on the plane to really just hydrate under the eyes. I'm finally going to be testing out the Dominique Cosmetics, the Latte palette. I just recently purchased this, and this is Kristen Dominique's first eyeshadow palette. Haven't played around with this yet, so I'm really excited to try this out while we're on vacation. It's not really a vacation, it's more of like, you know, we are celebrating our son's graduation from Army boot camp. Lastly, in here are the false lashes. It's in this Hello Kitty case. I just have these lashes from the brand Mosquito, and they're kind of flying all over the place, but they're right in there. In the front pocket, I just have a sponge from Sonia Kashuk, the e.l.f. makeup palette, which is great because you can place this around your wrist. Instead of putting the foundation on the back of your hand, you can just put it on the palette. A powder brush, foundation brush, blush brush, a blending brush, one for the crease, one for the highlights. This one is for my brows. Eyeliner pencil. This one is from Mosquito. Kat Von D Everlasting lip liner, and this one is in the shade Lolita. Blush. Another brush just to pack on the shadow all over the lid, and this one just to kind of sweep along the lower lash line. Favorite lash glue from the brand Mosquito. It's the Lash Companion. Mascara is the Essence Cosmetics Volume Stylist, which I haven't used in quite a long time. I'm really excited to try it out again. A little eyebrow groomer. The Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream, which I absolutely love. An eyelash curler. Have a couple different lippies here. One is from Dose of Color Brilio. Two of the Koki liquid lipsticks, and the L'Oreal Infallible Les Chocolates lippy, which is one of my favorites. An eyebrow tweezer, another brush maybe just to cut the crease with. This Sigma brush, which I really love, like for precise blending, and then one blending brush. This very tiny small contour brush. Now in this bag, this is where I have more of the liquids that I have to separate. So I just have the Urban Decay All Nighter makeup setting spray, the Smashbox pore minimizing primer in this little jar, Cosmetics Bye Bye foundation, which also contains the SPF 50 in the shade Neutral Tan, Milani Stay Put Matte 17-Hour Wear Liquid Liner in the shade Black. The rest of the items in here are primarily skincare, just moisturizer with SPF, my toner, facial cleanser. So that is basically everything I'm taking with me in my travel makeup bag, carry-on only edition. If you guys have any tips and tricks on maybe condensing makeup so it takes up less space, please leave your comments down below. This was pretty good for me already, but I would love to make everything even a little bit more compact. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you guys did, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you, love, so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.